Hello again, this is Marcelo, and today I'm going to be doing Project Euler Problem number 8, and this one is about finding the 13 adjacent digits in the 1000-digit number that have the greatest product, and they want the value of this product. Since it's about the number of that's a multiple of the sequence of 13 digits, we don't really care that it's a large number, we just care about the digits here, so you can treat this as a string instead. But for now, let's not think about that number, just come up with a simple test case. Let's get started here. I'm using Python, but you can use whatever programming language you want. So to get started, I'm going to come up with a simple test case here. In this case, the largest number here, the largest product would be 1, 1, 2, 3, which is 6 if on the 4 adjacent digit sequence. And then we can later just switch it with the actual number and 13. To do this, first let's start with the digits here and transform them into a list of digits. To do this, we first have to clean out every character in that string which is not a digit, and then transform that into a list of integers, and just transform this iterator into an actual list. And just to make sure that it works, let's print out the list of digits here. And let's see if it works. It works. So now to actually solve the problem, let's go a little bit of functional programming here. What we want is the maximum number, and then we iterate over the list, so we map over it, and we want the product of a number and its neighbors. But since some of them don't have enough neighbors, what we want is actually just the range of the length of that list of digits minus the number of neighbors that we want to work with. So now we just have to write this product function. So to write the product function here, it receives an index and it's going to return something that iterates over the digits list from the position of I up to I plus n. And so since this is a list, what we want to do is we want to reduce it to a single number. To do that, we can import from the functools package the reduce function and call it here with the value, and the function to be called, we can actually use another function from a package called operator, which just implements some mathematical functions as functions to make this more readable. So we just reduce it by multiplying all the digits, and I think this should be enough. So let's try this. And I got some invalid syntax error here on one of the lines. Should be because probably missing a parenthesis here. Yes. So yes, we get the correct number here. And now we just need to change this to instead have that very large number. You see, it just copied over everything. And instead of 4, we want 13. And here you run, you get the answer. If you check here, it's the correct answer. So again, this was pretty simple. The next few problems actually start getting a bit more interesting. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, you'll see the more interesting problem coming up next. You can also suggest anything for me to work on. I'm always available to see more interesting problems in the long run. I'll be posting the source code somewhere as well, maybe in GitHub. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.